Titan 875 uses a Tuthill 5.9 blower, which, as with all Tuthill blowers, it uses a dual oil bath design. So your gear end has its own independent oil bath, as well as your drive end also has its independent oil bath. This allows for proper lubrication of both ends and allows for longer durability of the blower. You should check your oil daily on the blower by using your sight glasses. There are two provided, one for each oil bath. The oil should be about in the middle of the sight glass. Your first oil change should come at about 100 hours and regularly every 500 hours. To drain the oil, we provided you with some convenient oil drain hoses, which to remove the cap you need 2 wrenches, an 11/16 and a 13/16. You turn the cap anti-clockwise to remove, drain it into your pan. When you're done, put the cap back on, turn it clockwise to put it back in place. And when you're done draining, make sure you return the hose to their allotted clamps. Make sure you drain both sides. Again, they're independent, so you have to drain each one separately. When you're done draining and everything is secured back into place, you can fill your oil by using a 3/4 wrench to remove your fill caps. There are 2 fill caps again. Turn anti-clockwise to remove. You can fill using we recommend you get a funnel to fill. This will allow you to get to the one on the inside more specifically. It's imperative that you pay attention to how much oil you put in there. You don't want to overfill your oil. So on the gear side, it uses about 1/4 of a bottle. On the drive side, it uses about 1/8 of a bottle. It's easy to think that both are using the same amount of oil, but be sure that you use that amount of oil. When you're filling, check your oil glass to make sure you're not going too full or you have enough oil in there. Also, you'll need to use Tuthill's New Lube, spelled PNEU lube, kind of like pneumatic, so be sure you're using that oil. It's specially formulated for their blowers by Tuthill, and this will also help with longevity of the blower. Once you've completed all of this, your blower service is complete and you can move on to your next thing.